Hello everybody. Today we will be learning about a zebra plant. So now a zebra plant is like a plant with like stripes. And it's very green. Very dark green. Sometimes it could be light green. I'll get my other one. And here is my other one. You can see this one's a bit more bigger in a smaller pot. I don't know why the seller did that, but let's not transfer it. Let's just put it in a bigger pot next time it grows. So this is a zebra plant, and actually they are really smooth if you touch it, and spiky on the top. And sometimes it could have those little, those little plants because they have only little roots but other plants can grow because they have bigger roots, and this one has small roots. And and they are a bit of baby hair. Actually, they grow in groups. And look at that one. They growing in groups. And this one, and they also bloom. Like this one that is closed, this one that is open. So bye everyone. Thank you for this beautiful day, and bye. See you in the next video, and like and subscribe.